Hey guys, watch how I managed to make this fried rice for 60 people, guys. It wasn't easy, but it all came out very nice. So first you need to do is for you to boil your meat. Make sure you season your meat very well. Guys, this is fried rice. It has to have that sweet taste. So after seasoning my meat, after the meat must have cooked, I'll remove it from the fire. Then I will now go ahead to fry my rice. Guys, this is fried rice. You have to fry your rice very, very well with oil, okay? This will help the rice to be strong, and it will also save your time, okay? So after frying the rice, make sure there is no more water under the pot. Then you can now add your water and your meat stock. Then add in any ingredient that you want to add as well. Make sure you have that taste to see if it is okay. So continue stirring and make sure it has no bond under. Guys, you guys remember this pot, right? So this is the first time I'm using it, and this was the main reason why I bought it. So after our rice must have done, I will go ahead to fry my meat step by step. Okay, not too fried though, okay, because you wouldn't want it to be that strong. It's not nice like that. So after that, I will go ahead to fry my gizzard. So in this recipe, I'm using gizzard. Okay, so this is what I could find in the supermarket. So I will go ahead and fry my carrot also. Just put in the remaining vegetable that you have sliced. So this is green beans. So fry everything together. Give it a nice stir. So this is green beans also. After adding everything, have a test to know if you will add any extra salt or any extra marking or ingredient. So this is a bell pepper. We have here green and yellow color. So just fry everything together, but make sure the bell pepper is the last thing that you are going to add to the pot because it's very soft. Okay, so after that, just add a little bit of onions, okay, for a nice flavor, and also garlic is very necessary. But if you don't like garlic, you can as well skip it, okay? So after that, add in the gizzard that you have fried and mix everything together. So it's ready now. So the next thing is for me to go and bring my rice to add everything inside. Meanwhile, I'm going to sieve out the whole water. Let me say water because I'm not going to say it's oil. So after that, I'll go ahead to add my butter to my fried rice, okay? And just pour in your mixed veggies. This is the reason why I fried this rice earlier. So I'm not going to be frying it little by little again, no. So the oil that I used to fry it before is going to do the magic here. So just mix everything together. Voila, our rice is ready. Our fried rice is ready. So guys, this food is meant for an occasion for 60 people. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to follow for more. Bye.